Deleng rong mi goi mi ting tin. I was born in this land of my ancestors, and I'm proud I'll be buried here when I die. I'll go to heaven only from this ground, from this land, my motherland. My father and his father and his forefathers were the first settlers of this virgin heavenly land. Countless generations lived and died on this land, my motherland. My first breath and my first sip and my first morsel, and the reason that her blood runs in my veins. I'd rather die than have this blood defiled of this land, my motherland. I may go to foreign shores and learn about their ways. I may even earn or eat or earn from someone's land, but my heart belongs to where my blood bonds with the soil of this land, my motherland. We'll shelter the needy wherever they may come from. We won't let them strangers come for greed or selfishness, or change our boundary, our culture, our identity of our land, my motherland, of our land, our motherland. I don't care if them strange kings or rulers, I don't care if they bring us power and wealth. I won't fall or trade or give up the sacredness of this land, my motherland. I may go to foreign shores, learn about their ways. I may even wear or eat or earn from someone's land, but my heart belongs to where my blood bonds with the soil of this land, my motherland. I pray for peace and love and harmony, but I stand for truth and the future of our children. I may fight for justice, for freedom and for liberty of this land, my motherland. I may go to foreign shores and learn about their ways. I may even wear or eat or earn from someone's land, but my heart belongs to where my blood bonds with the soil of this land, my motherland. Of this land, my motherland.